Imagine a busy factory inside your body. It's called the liver, and it's quite heavy, weighing about 1.4 kilograms. This factory works all day, every day. It's really important because it does a lot of jobs that keep us healthy. Think of the liver like a big storehouse and a busy factory combined. It takes care of many important tasks. Without the liver, our body wouldn't work properly. One of the main jobs of the liver is to clean our blood. Blood is like a delivery service, bringing good stuff from two places, the heart and the intestines. These are like two sources of supplies. Inside the liver, there are tiny places called lobules that help with the work. Blood comes in and brings all sorts of good things, like oxygen and nutrients. The liver takes these things and does special things with them. When we eat, the liver gets lots of things from the intestines. There are carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and other things. The liver has a way of changing these things so our body can use them. For example, it changes carbohydrates into sugar, which our body uses for energy. Sometimes, there's extra stuff that our body doesn't need right away. The liver is smart. It saves these things for later when our body might need them. But not everything in the blood is good. There are also things that our body can't use, like toxins. The liver is like a guard. It watches out for these bad things and does something about them. It makes them safe or sends them away. The liver doesn't just clean the blood. It also makes important things. It's like a factory that creates stuff. It makes proteins that help blood do its job and cholesterol, which helps our body make hormones. It even makes vitamin D and things that help us digest food. One of the coolest things the liver makes is bile. Bile is a greenish liquid that helps our body digest fats and get rid of waste. It's like a superhero for our stomach and intestines. So, the liver is like a big factory that works non-stop. It has lots of jobs that help our body stay healthy. We need to take care of it so it can keep doing its important work. It's like a factory we can't afford to lose.